Welcome back. This is an Aleks homework video on interconverting standard Gibbs free energy and K. Okay, so we're working with very technical terms. So Gibbs free energy and K can be related using a formula. So anytime that I can memorize one or two formulas per section and know that anything in that formula that I'm asked for, that's an obvious. Okay, so I just wrote it down. So you have the standard, that's what the little zero is. The standard Gibbs free energy is related to the equilibrium constant and the temperature. Okay, so they're asking for temperature, they're giving you a constant. As hard as this seems, this is very, very simple because all you're doing is plugging in numbers and solving for an unknown. So this is actually pretty good. The question would scare me until I realized one of the couple formulas that I memorized for this chapter is this one. Okay, so it's not so bad. So I'm just going to fill in. So I've got negative 102 kilojoules. I've got the equilibrium constant that's using Kelvin and joules. I don't want moles and liters and atmosphere. So there's a couple different constants you can use. I'm going to use the one with joules since I have joules and Kelvin since I want Kelvin. And then they're going to ask for the natural log of this K that they give you. So quickly, red flag, I've got kilojoules on one side and joules on the other, and it doesn't matter which that you do, I just need one of them. Okay, so I just went and put both of them in joules. All right, so once I have joules, I'm going to solve for T. I want the temperature, and you can see that in the gas constant down here, it's joules over kelvins, so my answer is going to be in kelvins. They're asking for the temperature, and I don't know. I would be really scared to put this in kelvins. I would put this temperature in Celsius. If they're asking for something on a lab bench type of a question, I would put it in Celsius. But this is going to be in Kelvin, since you can see that your constant cancels, leaving you kelvins. Right, so I get my calculator answer. I usually put all the numbers down for a calculator and then round at the very end because I just don't trust it. And so going from kelvins to Celsius, simply subtract, and then you get 14.97, and they ask you to round to the nearest degree. So in this case, the temperature would be 15 Celsius. So I hope these videos are helping you.